All right, so we're dealing with an issue right here with Magnolia. Just going to show you guys what it is here. She's just buddy sour. She just has to get back to these other horses no matter what. She's getting agitated. You see what's going on right here? She just wants to drift back over here. So what we're going to do, she cannot stay focused. So I'm going to let her come over here to these other horses, right? And then when she gets here, I'm going to make her work. She's going to trot circles. You see her ducking and diving and trying to get to the gate. And all of them go through this. You got to teach them that the gate is not the place that they want to be, you know. And I'm going to go ahead and work her right side because her right side is her weakest side. So I'll just take this opportunity to teach her not to come to the gate and to soften up this right side at the same time, okay? So when she's over here at the gate, she's gonna have to work. I'm not gonna be ugly to her about it. I'm just gonna require that she work, that's all. And I'm going to stay here for a minute till I feel a little bit of softness, right? You can see she's real stiff right there, and then she drops her shoulder and ducks to the corner right there. And then she's real stiff. That's because she just wants to get to that corner right there, which is the farthest point away from the arena and the closest point to her friends that she can get, right? So we're just going to stay here and work for a couple of minutes. There. Oh, that was nice and soft right there. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I could darn sure feel it. So now we'll just walk away. This is the same principle that we talk about this all the time, you know. Make them uncomfortable in the place that they want to be, and make them comfortable in the place where you want them to be. That way, they start to seek comfort away from the gate, other horses, the barn, whatever, right? Now I'll come back over here and I'll do the left side.